So, it's a quick little test. Trying to do the pan cooking shots. Throw in some of this. It's pesto with chicken, and it's we're just reheating it. So here's how you reheat something that you don't have a microwave. You don't have a microwave. It's possible you don't have a microwave. They didn't have a microwave. You put a little water in, because pasta is really unforgiving at being cooked twice. If I'm honest, it's unforgiving being cooked once. So we're just gonna do a little toss. So the little toss thing is takes a minute to learn, but it's worth a lifetime getting sauces onto things, because you can do this all day long and it doesn't get you anything, right? I mean, it doesn't get you the coverage. The sauce isn't still in the pan. What do you pick it up? So you learn to do the little shimmy and shake. You just do the little flip. And of course your stovetop is a disaster because of it, but it works. And then you start getting this coating, the cheeses that are in the pesto are starting to melt, and everything's getting up to temperature. When reheating foods, always get it up to about 165. So if we're here, this piece of chicken is 84 degrees. You can do a little panache. Someday I'll be ambidextrous. I'm mostly just splattering myself, which is why I'm wearing the chef's coat. I only have 12 of the exact same black t-shirts I wear all the time, so you really gotta keep them from getting covered in oil. Chef's coat, perfect for that. It doesn't mean I'm a chef. I'm a cook. I like to cook. I'm not a professional cook. I've worked on a line once. I've worked as a server a couple times. And I've probably been fired or laid off from every single restaurant job I've had, except for the Japanese restaurant. You know what? I think I got laid off from that one too. So I'm going to turn this down. I'm going to check the temperatures of things. So we got some 136, not enough. 142, totally not enough. And the pasta, 178. This is the best gadget you can ever buy. It's called a Thermapen. This is the Mark IV. It takes about 3 seconds to read the temperature of anything you stick it into. Like my eye is 98.7. I'm kidding, don't do that. Okay, well here we are. This is how you heat something up. Heat it up to 165 degrees. Don't kill yourself. Don't kill anyone else. And don't eat food that's completely expired. You don't have a microwave. You don't have a microwave. It's possible you don't have a microwave. They didn't have a microwave.